A vast, fractured canyon with towering basalt walls stretches infinitely, governed by primitive natural laws. This specialized wilderness territory features unyielding rock fortifications, keeping watch over dense, mysterious subterranean marsh tracts. The rigid ground surface resembles cooling volcanic liquid, presenting an entirely solid matrix beneath ancient vegetation arrays. Boiling water springs release heavy atmospheric plumes, transforming the landscape into an extreme primeval survival arena today. The sheer mountain cliffs touch the upper vault, creating an inescapable secure cage for massive territorial animals. The absolute alpha leader stands firm upon the high ridges, tracking subtle visual movements across atmospheric layers. The massive guardian exhibits deep situational awareness, sensing an oncoming destabilizing element inside this quiet habitat boundary. A sudden powerful shockwave rises continuously from deep volcanic pathways, disrupting the peace of the valley ecosystem. Smaller native wildlife populations panic, fleeing their traditional feeding grounds as the entire geological floor vibrates. The immediate structural foundation of the valley fractures heavily under the raw pressure of an approaching entity. A terrifying apex hunter hidden within the darkest margins of the territory has activated its search cycles.
Gane aur purazrar panio senikla wadunia kappa subsai dangerous alpha predator python monster dakilo chuka.
The armored constrictor moves onto dry land, seeking total domination over the island leader's historic territorial domain. An ultimate high-octane clash showdown becomes entirely inevitable as the giant invaders approach the center point. The old forest silence shatters like an explosion as the charging reptilian titan moves forward rapidly today. The serpent erupts from the steam fields, launching a highly direct assault against the reigning king of territory. The colossal muscle monster used unexpected velocity to ambush prehistoric Kong, giving him no recovery time today. The Rahasayamai hunter advanced rapidly using venomous fang's parameters to secure early physical advantages during struggle today. He deployed powerful aquatic coils around Kong's broad frame, starting a highly critical phase of physical compression. A Sanjin phase of death began, where every passing second squeezed natural oxygen out of his lungs. Survival appeared completely impossible as the continuous tightening loops brought the primate skeleton close to breaking point. The immediate jungle ecosystem experienced a severe wave of terror, witnessing the potential fall of the king. But the true king's deep rage is his greatest destructive power, which the enemy underestimated completely today. Despite experiencing devastating physical pain and total body compression, the primate activated his mental capacity right now. He tracked a sharp granite block lying partially buried along the edges of the battlefield soil. He lifted a heavy and sucked granite piece from mud using his available free hand immediately today. This sharp geological element would serve as his primary defensive mechanism to break the enemy's crushing grip. He drove the stone with force into the lower cranial base near the titan's sensitive main artery. A severe wave of pain surged through the monster's body, forcing its tight coils to loosen instantly. Gaining absolute freedom, Kong combined his massive hands into a heavy hammer configuration for physical response now. He delivered an extremely powerful strike onto the titan's jaw, causing clear organic fluids to erupt out. The heavy invader broke several old trees, crashing down onto the earth with a distinct, decisive thud. The jungle basin has completely transformed into a dangerous death field, where a fire of revenge burns. This Gamasan and Sanjin Ladea became a turning point, where dominance was decided solely by physical force. The intense physical confrontation reaches its absolute conclusion, resulting in the total destruction of the enemy forces. Utilizing his remaining physical power, Kong dragged the lifeless titan across the muddy ground with distinct purpose. He hurled the dead monster deep into the sanctuary's deepest and darkest cavern ruins, permanently today now. Its return from the shadows of this ancient subterranean chasm is rendered completely impossible within nature today. The grand prehistoric duel concludes, leaving the ancient habitat secure under its rightful alpha leader now here. Covered in deep wounds, the victorious king emerges from the mud, seeking an elevated vantage point now. He climbs toward a high Pathrala Chatten, as his respiration gradually returns to standard baseline levels today. The alpha primate mounts the high platform, overlooking the entire valley expanse of his wilderness kingdom today. The final crimson ray of the setting sun falls on his chest, illuminating his extensive battle scars today. The protective sparkle returns to his eyes, as he confirms his absolute dominion over the entire land today. Standing as a massive shadow between dusk and moonrise, he positions himself to guard his territory safely now. He releases an immensely powerful roar toward the sky, shaking the entire perimeter of the sanctuary today. This roar declares that no matter what size invasion occurs, the absolute Badshah of territory remains Hamisha. The absolute monarch stands firm, confirming that dominion over this prehistoric wilderness sanctuary remains Hamisha his now. The unique landscape of the sanctuary is permanently modified by the extreme physical violence of today's fight. Agitated mineral elements settle once again into mud pools as the valley returns to quiet state today. Life along the ground slowly resumes as smaller organisms witness the aftermath of the Titans' war now. These jagged stone crowns have witnessed the fall of massive invaders and the rise of victors Hamisha. Scavengers descend from high altitudes to participate in the final chapter of this deadly wilderness struggle today. Relics of the combat are slowly buried by the sands of time, becoming part of natural history. Tranquility returns to the territory, but the memory of the dangerous invasion will echo Hamisha here now. Even the strongest kings must tend to their wounds after surviving a lethal encounter with monsters today. As dawn approaches, the predator's memory fades, and the sun honors the victors of final battle Hamisha. Nature adapts quickly to violence, using the scars of the past as foundation for the future today. The waters are still once again, hiding the memory of the giant predators that fought here earlier. Even in the site of destruction, new life begins to bloom, fueled by rich volcanic soil structures. Walking through the ferns, the ruler re-established his daily patrol of the land he successfully defended today. Standing tall, the ancient trees endure the passing of seasons and the violent wars of Titans Hamisha. The forest is alive with movement as the cycle of life continues under watchful eyes here today. At night, the marsh reveals its eerie beauty, masking the violence that occurred beneath the silver moon. Steam rises from cooling earth as the heat of the battle dissipates into darkening night air channels. The jungle canopy hides many secrets, but the story of the hunt will Hamisha be told here. Small life forms emerge once again to claim their place in the cycle of nature today Hamisha. Pristine atmospheric movements shroud the highest ridges, keeping silent vigil over changing primitive wildlife domains Hamisha. Morning condensation provides critical sustenance for small local organisms, moving through dense hidden foliage layers routinely today. Towering ancient groves remain unaffected by massive apex confrontations, preserving natural structures over long eras Hamisha now. Atmospheric circulation patterns shroud the highest crags, providing a secure layer of privacy for the kingdom. Shifting cloud formations modulate localized ground temperatures, shielding sensitive flora arrays from direct intense thermal exposure fields. Slow lepidopteran larvae actions highlight the stable, unhurried pace of life operating inside protected internal forest rings. The vertical rock columns stand as timeless monuments, framing the deep visual boundaries of this spectacular ecosystem. Subterranean filtration layers continuously feed the surface ponds, ensuring excellent water purity metrics for local wildlife. The endless primitive canopy represents the core baseline health of this highly specialized subterranean wildlife sanctuary. Immense root networks anchor the massive forest canopy, securing vital soil layers against potential erosion events. The immense kinetic force of falling water shapes the lower pool basin, rerouting vital river lines. Mineral crystallization processes highlight the rich geothermal heritage underlying the primary layout of this subterranean sanctuary. Elevated nesting areas offer absolute safety for native avian lineages, preserving upcoming generations of wild species. Fauna navigation paths adjust flawlessly around geological features, confirming complete adaptation to this rugged subterranean habitat layout. Moisture dripping loops accelerate decomposition processes along the ground layer, fueling rapid organic forest regeneration cycles. The extensive lowlands provide unlimited foraging resources for native species, stabilizing the long-term wilderness food chains. Symbiotic plant behaviors define structural cohesion within dense jungle blocks, securing aged floral towers against storm fields. Nightfall introduces an absolute shift in localized environmental metrics, bringing cool air currents across deep canyons. Nocturnal life cycles activate fully under the coverage of darkness, maintaining constant ecosystem functionality around the clock. Nocturnal avian predators deploy high-definition visual tracking mechanics, scanning the darkened forest floor layers for small targets. The silver moonlight illuminates the vast boundaries of this prehistoric domain, detailing the peaceful nocturnal architecture smoothly. Fungal bioluminescence provides unique localized lighting vectors, assisting small crawling organisms in navigating the deep darkness. Thermal air mass transitions generate extensive morning fog layers, modulating moisture retention across the low-terrain matrices. The arrival of dawn signals the termination of nocturnal cycles, transitioning the sanctuary back to daytime baselines. Sunlight exposure initiates immediate evaporation cycles, cleansing plant surfaces and activating standard daily photosynthetic operations Hamisha. The main water bodies reflect the returning daylight, confirming absolute clarity inside the core environmental systems today. Fauna feeding actions resume normally along the banks, validating high nutrient density inside the primary wetland habitats. Morning fog dissipation reveals the flawless structural continuity defining this ancestral wildlife sanctuary across deep earth layers. Native species reoccupy high baseline viewing positions, confirming complete normalization of environmental parameters across all sectors. Centuries-old flora giants remain fully locked in place, anchor testing the underlying soil beds against seismic loads. Atmospheric movement patterns guarantee persistent moisture distribution loops, helping sustain the core dense jungle canopy health Hamisha. Surface water condensation drops offer critical hydration resources, assisting native crawling species in maintaining standard life cycle metrics. The ancient grove towers endure without disruption, preserving foundational structural continuity across the entire ancestral wilderness territory. The high-altitude rock formations continue keeping silent vigil over the changing life cycles of species. The structural impact of this ferocious jewel remains carved deeply within the ancient stone pillars forever. The light re-established full baseline visibility, assisting native wildlife species in navigating their native primeval habitats safely. The unmatched apex protector functions smoothly once again, as the threat of deep chasms gets cast. No rival entity can ever challenge the permanent rule of the island guardian across this earth. Ongoing liquid flows demonstrate total system balance, clearing away leftover debris paths from the central combat zone. Flora structures process advanced light arrays effectively, continuing their long-term growth cycles within this protected valley ring. The broader wildlife hierarchy returns to deep balance, following the definitive reordering achieved during peak primal struggles. New plant life forms initiate generation cycles quickly, utilizing mineral-rich soil lines hidden inside basalt frames. Persistent high-altitude weather systems regulate general humidity variables, protecting the delicate balance of this subterranean sanctuary layout. Surface water condensation drops offer critical hydration resources, assisting native crawling species in maintaining standard life cycle metrics. The ancient grove towers endure without disruption, preserving foundational structural continuity across the entire ancestral wilderness territory. Timecode 1311 to 1318. Visuals. Wide panoramic tracking shot across miles of rolling green fern hills under bright afternoon skies. Location: the Crimson Ravine, Middle Valley Terrace Flats. Voik. Timecode 1318 to 1325. Visuals. Close-up profile tracking look at an ancient primeval vine wrapping tightly around a trunk structure. Location: the Crimson Ravine, Deep Forest Canopy Ring. Voicio. Timecode 1325 to 1332. Visuals. High-angle wide cinematic shot of a silver crescent moon hanging perfectly over high peaks tonight. Location: the Crimson Ravine, clear night sky perspective. Voik. Timecode 1332 to 1339. Visuals. Night vision tracking shot of small nocturnal insects swarming lazily over stationary swamp water pools. Location: the Crimson Ravine, midnight swamp sector lines. Timecode 1339 to 1346. Visuals. Close-up shot of a large primeval owl opening its dark reflective eyes wide along branches tonight. Location: the Crimson Ravine, high tree branch perch. Voiceover. Timecode 1346 to 1353. Visuals. Wide landscape panoramic shot of the entire dark valley glowing gently under soft silver moon rays. Location: the Crimson Ravine, midnight summit overlook plain. Timecode 1353 to 2 p.m. Visuals. Close-up of a small bioluminescent mushroom cluster glowing with a soft neon green shade on wood. Location: the Crimson Ravine, dark forest floor decay. Voiceover. Timecode 14 to 1407. Visuals. High-angle tracking shot of cool morning fog layers slowly rolling along the canyon floor smoothly. Location: the Crimson Ravine, low canyon floor flats. Voiceover. Timecode 1407 to 1414. Visuals. First golden ray of new daylight hitting the apex tip of the highest mountain spire structure today. Location: the Crimson Ravine, summit pinnacle point dawn. VoIC, time code 1414 to 1421. Visuals: close-up tracking shot of a primitive flower leaf shedding water droplets as sun rays hit structures. Location: the Crimson Ravine, sunlit forest clearing border. Time code 1421 to 1428. Visuals: wide cinematic tracking view across a pristine freshwater lake shimmering brightly under clear morning vaults. Location: the Crimson Ravine, central oasis Lake Shia. Time code 1428 to 1435. Visuals: close-up of a small primeval fish swimming agilely through clear water channels near lake margins. Location: the Crimson Ravine, shallow lake shoreline. Voiceover: time code 1435 to 1442. Visuals: high-angle wide panoramic overview of the entire Green Valley Basin layout as mist disappears cleanly. Location: the Crimson Ravine, extreme high aerial map look. Time code 1442 to 1449. Visuals: close-up shot of a small lizard crawling swiftly across a flat basalt rock plate surface face. Location: the Crimson Ravine, sunlit basalt platform block. Voiceover: time code 1449 to 1456. Visuals: medium tracking view of an ancient tree trunk displaying intricate organic bark patterns under morning sun. Location: the Crimson Ravine, ancient forest core zone. Time code 1456 to 1503. Visuals: high-angle wide tracking shot following cloud networks moving past high vertical obsidian cliffs today. Location: the Crimson Ravine, sky view cliff alignment. VO. Time code 1503 to 1510. Visuals: close-up of morning dew droplets glistening beautifully along broad leaves of primitive fern variants carefully. Location: the Crimson Ravine, Fern Valley Trailland. Time code 1510 to 1517. Visuals: wide landscape panoramic shot of towering ancient conifers standing firm against the far horizons cleanly. Location: the Crimson Ravine, southern forest boundary FL. Time code 1517 to 1524. Visuals: slow-motion tracking shot of white clouds drifting smoothly across the jagged peaks of broken mountainous terrain. Location: the Crimson Ravine, sky-level panorama. Time code 1524 to 1531. Visuals: